I'm Zachary Corbett.
Okay. Oh, I guess it's not. I was like, you won't continue.
Did you stop it?
No, it's still going. Hi, I'm Shelby Corbett.
And today, we're going to be making butter and grilled cheese sandwiches. So number one, pour the heavy cream into your jar and put the lid on. Don't fill it to the top, only halfway. Make sure it doesn't leak. Okay. Here's our heavy cream. Is this what we're using for this?
Yeah, wait, you need the lid.
Doing that halfway.
Oh.
It's halfway. Just use.
So we're gonna start the timer, I think.
I'll fill it to the top only halfway, make sure it doesn't leak. Record the time on your data table. Shake your jar about 20 times. Okay.
Wait, do we need to record the time now?
A minute, it says keep shaking your jar until record the time. Okay, yeah, I guess we'll record the time. Oh, okay.
Wait, put it on the day. Like, put it how much?
Yeah. So, I shake it. I don't understand this. Shake your jar about 20 times. Open the lid on the jar slider to see if you leave any pressure.
Oh, put the time that it is now.
Oh.
So we can figure this out. Okay, and then you start shaking, and
So shake about 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oops. Alright. Take it off with the leave the pressure.
oh, gross.
Oops. Keep shaking your jar until the liquid looks like it's solid. Okay, this is gonna take a while, so.
Alright. So we're gonna skip to the next part.
How it looks, taste, and texture. Okay. Yeah.
So it's kind of solidified, so we're gonna open it and make our observations and then taste it and describe the taste and texture.
Some pressure on it, some live, so hands are a little bit. Washing my hands. Might have to get you open.
So what does it look like?
Well, it's getting really thick. It's still liquid.
Now you taste it. Tell us what it tastes like.
I mean, it's thick. I mean,
What does it
it's
taste?
heavy whipped cream.
What does it taste
Tastes
like?
like whipped cream.
It's not whipped
I'm not
cream.
whipped cream, but you know. Cream. I don't know how to describe it. I don't know how to describe it. I mean, it just tastes thicker than normal.
Does it taste bad?
No, it just tastes like cream.
Okay. What is the texture of it? Kind of thick.
Thick.
Okay. Okay, so now we've made our observations, we tasted it, now we put the lid back on, make sure it's tight, and continue shaking until you see lumps of solid butter. You're making such a mess.
Did you stop it? I've really been shaking it, so it might be earlier than.
Yeah, he was shaking that a lot.
That's some pressure. Whoa!
Yeah, we definitely got something going on here.
It's foamy now.
What is the... Okay, so we don't see any liquid.
I gotta taste it. And,
Does it look like whipped cream?
that.
Does that look like whipped cream to you?
Well,
I don't. It says if it looks like whipped cream and you don't see any liquid, you need to keep shaking until you see solid butter and a thin opaque liquid. That's the buttermilk. Let's look at it again. So we're not done yet. We're gonna keep going because we don't really see that.
You shake.
Okay. Why don't you film me?
No, don't put.
Oh.
Turn it one.
Okay. So we hear the liquid in it.
Liquid again. Oh.
Oh, yeah, there goes the
Pressure.
buttermilk.
Ugh. You
So
can definitely
we
see the butter.
see the butter. We see the buttermilk.
So I just pour the buttermilk.
Nope, don't do that. Okay,
This
you
is-
film me and I'll do the
Just
rest.
pour the buttermilk.
But I do
Did-
that.
Okay, here. Yeah.
So it's my
I'm gonna
turn.
wash out my hands a little bit first.
Definitely see the buttermilk though.
The butter.
Butter.
Oh. Oh.
Did you? Oh,
That's okay.
yeah, we're gonna clean that up. So we're supposed to taste the buttermilk and describe the taste of the buttermilk.
Oops, sorry. I wasn't thinking about
Yours probably all over the place.
I'm a terrible
So
Uh,
tasting
cameraman.
the buttermilk.
Is it bad?
It's really like oily. Kind of like I feel like I'm putting on chapstick because I feel like it just went all over my lips. But I don't really taste anything. I taste like skim milk. So describe that. So I pour the buttermilk out, but make sure I don't lose that. Why is this? Don't get that on camera, Zach.
Oh. Don't lose
Are
the
you
butter.
watching?
Whoa, watch out. Watch the butter.
Are you watching the
Yes.
camera? I'm watching the butter.
No, you're not. Well, that's a lot of butter.
I didn't know we could make butter out of the... Okay. So add the cold water with the butter still in it. Okay, so have some cold water right here. Okay, so then I need the lid again. That you dropped on the ground. We're gonna have to clean this. So we shake it until we see. No wait, add cold water 5 times. Pour the water out. Repeat this step until the water is clear. Okay.
I'm gonna stop it and then come back to when it's clear.
No, just keep going.
Okay.
That shouldn't take that long. At least I don't think so. So what do you think that we're doing? Zach,
What?
what do you think that we're doing right now with the water? I have no idea, that's what I'm wondering.
Okay.
Do you have any?
Just keep shaking.
I mean, do you think we're washing the butter? Does it need to be washed?
I assume we're getting all the extra buttermilk out. Or something like that. Maybe purifying it.
I can't believe this is butter. I didn't even mean to say that. I can't believe it's butter. Get it?
Keep going.
Oh, I just poured it in the clear water.
I mean, the water you just poured in wasn't that clear.
Okay. It's pretty clear.
Yeah.
So the water's clear, and we made butter. Add a sprinkle of salt. How many times did we have to rinse?
5 times.
5. Did we rinse 5 times? Were you counting?
We did it at least 5 times, yeah.
Okay. Pour out the water. How many times did it rinse? 5. I'm adding some salt. And I guess that I mix it. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit.
You just shake it. Not.
With the. There's still some water in it. Really cool. Are you feeling it? So now I have some sausage butter. Still getting some water out. Okay. Now take a slice of bread and describe how it feels like. The bread? We have to describe how the bread tastes.
Do it?
Okay. So we need 3 slices of bread, I think. Why are you laughing? Okay. Take a slice of bread, describes how it feels and tastes. It feels rough. Kind of like canvas. What is that thing called? I can't think of what it's called.
It's okay.
Burlap. It feels like burlap. But the side is a little smoother because it's the end piece. And it tastes like smushed air. Like bread. Like carbs. Tear it in half. It crumbles. Do you want to taste?
I'm good.
I don't know what's another way of.
That's good. Let's go.
Dry. It is dry. So now we're going to take a slice or 2 of cheese and place it between 2 slices of bread and make a cheese sandwich. Again, describe how it feels and tastes like. So we have to try it before we. What does it say? Place between cheese sandwich, describe what it feels and tastes like. It feels like bread and cheese feels like I don't know what it, Zach, give me some.
Let me taste it.
Okay, do I need to film you?
You can.
Okay.
Come on.
Tell me what it feels and tastes like.
I mean, the bread feels like how you described it.
Dry.
Rough and dry, yeah.
So now what does it taste different than like just bread? Does it have like a salty taste? Smoother taste, I guess?
It's definitely not. It doesn't taste as dry as it did before because, I guess, the cheese and dairy is kind of making it a little more creamy in the middle. But it's pretty overpowered by the bread. So I don't really taste the cheese that much.
So now we spread some butter on our 2 slices of bread. And then put it in our skillet and make a grilled cheese sandwich.
I'll put it on the top or the bottom.
The unbuttered part is with the cheese.
Right. That's a lot of butter.
Just flip it over and put more.
Okay.
We're making such a mess.
Yep. usual.
So we're gonna put this in our waffle maker.
Good, the butter. It's gonna be like a waffle. Are you supposed to flip it or something?
It's not a waffle. It doesn't have to be flipped.
I mean, I thought, okay. That wasn't what I was thinking about.
But yeah, it can
I
be.
had like a timer or something on it.
Yeah, but it's not gonna cook as long as waffles do.
I understand that.
So, got this. Do you have a plate?
Plate.
Can you put it? Well, we had to put it somewhere.
Put it in my hand.
It's gonna be hot.
I can handle it.
You can handle it. Okay, I think it is. Nope, it's not done. We're gonna leave that there. I can smell it. It smells good. This is flipped. Never used this waffle maker before. Kind of smoky. It is ready. Well, we're gonna keep going.
More.
Definitely smell it though.
Yeah. Alright. Let's unplug it.
So,
It's a lot crispier, obviously.
so yeah, a little bit more tougher.
The butter is like saturated inside the bread, so now it's kind of like it's very damp, and it's not sitting on top of the bread like it was. Guess we could have gotten a plate, but that just made more mess. So tearing it apart, cheese is coming away. Probably could have put more cheese in there. Guess I'll taste it.
Okay, so we just tasted it. What does it taste like?
Crispy, crunchy. You can taste the butter a lot better, obviously, but
Is the butter good? It's homemade.
I mean, it tastes like grilled cheese.
Would you eat it
Could
again?
have put more cheese in it, because the side piece I got didn't really have a lot. Definitely a lot more liquidy. That's the
So,
word.
like smoother in taste.
I wouldn't say smoother just because the bread is now crunchier.
Okay, tell me, I'm gonna taste it.
I'm not a very good adjective maker.
I'm not either.
Hence the word adjective maker.
I didn't think that butter was gonna be good, but it's really good.
You didn't think the butter was...
So yeah, it's not as dry. The butter and those oils make it a lot easier to, like, I guess, eat it without, like, taking all your saliva. The cheese is
She's an
fine.
IT person and I'm a
Yeah.
finance major, so...
The salt is good to add to the butter. That was a good tip.
Alright, enjoy the sandwich.
10 out of 10.
Alright, I'm gonna end it.